Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 different passive income streams that I'm earning in cryptocurrency. Now, my goal is to be able to earn a full-time passive income from these 3 streams. There's actually a fourth one and a fifth one. I may cover them in a future video as well. Ultimately, this is going to be a series where I'm going to basically follow my progress. And 2 or 3 times I've tried to get this video together, and I've just decided, you know what, I'm just going to put up some content, put it out there, let you review it, let you have at it, and just get this content. Because I think some of you are going to get some value out of my journey. You'll see my mistakes, you'll learn from my mistakes as well. And I think at the end of the day, one of the things about cryptocurrency, so many people recognize that in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is likely to go up in the future, Ethereum is likely to go up in the future. Many of us believe that. But the problem with Bitcoin, the problem with Ethereum is you can just simply hold them, wait for them to go up in value, and then you have to sell some of them. But what if you could earn a passive income in cryptocurrency? I have an entire system that's focused on building my HODL assets, creating passive income streams, using those passive income streams to A, potentially support myself if I need to, B, continue to reinvest in themselves, and C, continue to purchase altcoins at the same time. So many times people purchase altcoins and then you sit on an altcoin waiting and waiting and waiting for it to go up, waiting for the bear market. Is it going to be 6 months from now? Is it going to be a year from now? Is it going to be 2 years from now? And you know that altcoin is going to go up in value. And what a lot of investors end up doing is they end up liquidating one altcoin, trying to go into another altcoin, trying to find the one that's likely to pump first. I think the real key is to be able to produce a passive income or at least a renewable income source that can allow you to continue to make investments in those altcoins, but at the same time create an income that can also continue to increase over time as well. Maybe it starts out at the cost of a couple $100 a month, eventually becomes $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, and it continues to go from there. And that's going to give you an additional income that you can do 3 things with. One, buy more Bitcoin, buy more Ethereum. Two, it's going to allow you to reinvest in the passive income streams that are producing an income for you. Real yield, sustainable, long-term passive income. Three, it's going to allow you to use some of that money to be able to make your altcoin plays that you want to make. And I'm going to be talking about some future altcoin plays that I'm making on this channel. And I'm invested in 2 altcoins that literally no one is talking about. And one of them is absolutely killing it right now. I'm earning somewhere around 4 to 5% a week on this altcoin because of its current growth. And it's been on this trajectory now for about 3 or 4 months. It's going to be absolutely incredible. If you want to find out what that altcoin is, be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that bell notification icon, smash the click the like button, do whatever you need to do. Let's go ahead and get into this. I'll be talking about altcoins in another video. I want to show you one of my income streams that I'm using right now is Lyra Protocol. I absolutely love this project. I like what they're doing. I like where they're going. This is a true decentralized financial product. I mean, they are allowing people to be able to sell and buy options. Now, most people don't know what options are, or they don't really understand options. And I've thought about talking about Lyra a lot. I just think it's over most people's head. It's slightly complicated. It's not complicated, but it is at first because there's a lot of new terms you need to learn. And maybe I'll do a full video on Lyra and my strategies. If you want that video, let me know down in the comments. I'll show you some of my current positions that I have right now. These are options, call options that I sold. I primarily sell options for income, and I mostly do really well with it. You'll see last month didn't turn out so well, but that's okay. That happens. Um, and as you can see, I've got some options that are about to expire this coming weekend. There's actually another dashboard. I have 2 different dashboards with options. This is on the Optimism Network, but I also have one on the Arbitrum Network as well. And so this is some passive income that basically once these expire, I'll be able to, you know, make some more, sell some more options. And every time I sell options, which is really starts on Friday. So this Friday I'll sell some, then I'll typically sell some more on Saturday and Sunday and Monday. And then I kind of monitor positions. And again, you may not know what that means, but if an option gets into trouble, there's things you can do to push it out further and to give you a chance to make money. Done properly, you should not lose money very often on options. Now you'll see last month I did lose money. Here's my current track record with options, and I'll explain what happened here in a moment. I get a horrible month to start this journey and to start documenting it and start talking about it, by the way. But I'm just going to be transparent on this channel. Like on this channel, my intention is never to flex. My intention is never to oversell or overpromise. I always want to be as objective and try to be as honest and transparent as I can with my content. It's the kind of content I like to watch, and it's the kind of content I want to put out there for you. So if you appreciate that, do me a favor and smash that like button. So this is I actually started this I think in April. I started tracking it in June because I was like I need to really see what I'm doing here. I was making new deposits, obviously as you can see along the way. My goal here was I was doing about, as you can see, $200 to $300 a month right here, and I added another $6,000 right here, and the goal was hopefully to double this and get it at $600 to $800 a month. That was the hope. That was the goal, and I had $1,600, but as you can see, I ended up losing $1,353 last month. And what happened here with options, you don't want to get liquidated. That's the worst thing that can happen. And last month, particularly 1 week in particular, I had some company in town and I wasn't in front of my office in front of my computer as much, wasn't paying attention. And usually I'm okay unless the market moves about 4% or so against me, which this 4% isn't so bad. We start getting to 5 to 6%, I get in trouble getting liquidated. And as we can see here, what happened was we had, if you remember, last month in the month of August, we had 2 days where Ethereum went down, I think 3.5 to 4%, 2 days in a row. And I ended up getting liquidated, unfortunately, on a position. And that was a significant loss, and it hurt my overall returns. Long term, I'm looking to earn between 3 to 5% a month. That's what I'm hoping to average as I'm selling options. Now, this is my least passive strategy, but it's a strategy that I have the most control over. And that's what I like about this particular strategy overall. So this is what was happening here, and this was with my options trading. Now, if you come down here, the other strategy that I'm using is copy trading. Now, many of you are familiar with, obviously, I've been copy trading on the BingX platform. I'll put a video up at the top. You can, I got a video that talks about how I find traders to follow on BingX. So right now, my total account value at the time at the beginning of the month, September 1st, was $11,689, as you can see here. I actually only made $97 last month. That was disappointing because as you can see here, I made a sizable deposit. So I was hoping again, this is going to be closer to that 400 to 500, 550 range with that additional deposit. But again, we had a tough month. A lot of the traders that I'm following are using some form of leverage. And even though we eked out $97, I'll take that as a win that we didn't end up in the negative because again, the market moves 3, 4, 5% against you. People that are using leverage, that's a lot. That is a lot. Now, we're already starting off a little bit better this month, so stay tuned to the channel. The next update I do for September, you'll see that unless things change, we should end up having some better numbers for the month of September. So obviously not a great start overall, but I really, really like copy trading. The challenge with copy trading is finding the right type of traders to follow. And currently, I've got 2 traders that I love. I'm looking at a third one I'm really liking. Those of you that are following my copy trading journey, those of you that are subscribed to this newsletter, this email newsletter, I'm going to be updating you on one of my traders I've gotten rid of or I'm getting rid of and another trader that I have recently found. So if you're subscribed to this newsletter, be on the lookout for the video that's coming up with the update on my specifics on my traders. If you want to follow my journey with copy trading, go down in the description. I'll be sure to put this newsletter link in the description for you to be able to subscribe. You can follow my journey there. But at the end of the day with copy trading, the challenge is you cannot chase the high returns. The guys who look like they're doing several 100% over a 6-month period, they're going to go bust. They're going to go broke. But you can find traders that are doing 20, 30% over a 6-month period, 40%, 50%, 60% over a year. You can find some of those traders, and some of those are doing quite well. My best trader on the entire platform ended up doing about 16% in the past 30 days. That's insane. Now that was a good stretch for him, but that's insanity. And again, I'll be talking about that in the update. So stay tuned for that. Those of you that are subscribed. So far we've talked about options and we've talked about copy trading. Next up is my free income strategies. Those of you that are subscribed to my free passive income newsletter, right, the 6 free streams of crypto income. Again, I'll put a link in the description. But in that newsletter, I've talked about, in fact, yesterday I put out an email talking about my 6 different streams. Now, one of these streams recently got replaced just because I found a better version of it, basically. But Stream 1 did really well. I did $20 last month. Stream 2, obviously $6. Stream 3 is $1. Stream 4 is $1. These both should be higher this month. Stream 5 is up to $7.59. The great thing, Stream 6 is just the one that just got updated. The great thing about these strategies and is they require absolutely no investment. They are almost 100% passive, almost 100% effortless. Am I ever going to get rich with these strategies? No. At most, you're looking at probably a couple hundred, $500, $600 at most cumulative that I think I can. In fact, if I hit $1,000 a month eventually with this strategy, which is my goal, really is to get to that, but over $500 a month, really, $500 a month consistently. This would be great because this would be what I would use $500 a month here for. Is I would ultimately just be using it to buy more Bitcoin, buy more Ethereum every single month. The other great thing about these free crypto earnings, these streams, they're incredibly stable. Like once you earn them, as you can see, $17, $18 to $2 or $3 difference right here. There's what's this, 6.95, not even a dollar difference right here. 19, 11 cents difference. I think that's what that is. 2 cents difference right here, less than a dollar. With these, they're very, very stable. So even though they're low earners, they're very passive. They're very, very stable. They don't fluctuate a lot. Like, for example, trading options with Lyra Protocol. That's going to fluctuate a lot. As we take a look at this, let's see where I'm at for the month. Not good. The journey can only go from here. So we're looking at negative 1,353.69 plus $97 plus 36.77. $1,189 in the red for the month. That's a long ways from making a full-time passive income. But stay subscribed because this is going to continue to improve. And I didn't include the casinos, like the casinos that I've invested in. Those of you who understand the mogul mining method, and there's 3 casinos that I've invested in. I'll actually earn over $1,000 with those this month. I'm currently using some of those earnings to invest in one particular altcoin right now. I think I'm going to earn over $1,000 a month. Maybe I need to start tracking that on the spreadsheet. I haven't tracked it yet. If you want me to track my casino dividend earnings, then let me know. So far, earning a full-time passive income, yeah, it's not happening yet. Stay tuned next month. We're going to see this get better. I promise. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, cryptocurrency equals freedom. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.